What's up, everybody? Andrew back here with the Medellin Living channel, and we are on our way to a little cabin up in Santa Elena. I am here with our driver, Diego. Got my brother. How are you? It's been 30 minutes and he's been asleep. Franco, wake up.
Are we there?
We're almost there. Yes, we're almost there. We got to do the video. We're going to do a walkthrough of the property and the actual cabin. You ready, Franco?
Now that I'm awake, yes, I'm ready to go check it out.
All right, let's do it. All right, we are here. Morning, how you doing? Nice to meet you. I'm Andrew. How's it going?
Welcome.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
All right, we are going to do the walkthrough, but you want to stay until the end of the video because the owner is here and we're going to have some questions for him, do a little interview. Franco, you good?
I'm ready. Let's check this place out.
Go ahead of me.
Okay, so the cabin itself is 60 square meters, which is about 645 square feet. But the lot itself is 662 square meters, which comes out to be around 7,000 square feet, a little bit over that.
Awesome. Yeah, this is a beautiful little cabin.
All right, so as we step in, you immediately see the kitchen and the living area.
Okay. Yeah, this is beautiful. Okay.
And then over here you have the bathroom.
Wow.
This is how I use the bathroom.
Okay.
It is a full bath with your sexy shower over here. You know, it's a little wet, but that's okay. I don't mind it. And then you've got your kitchen with your kitchen stovetop. You got an oven. Comes with the refrigerator as well. And a double sink for all of your dishes duties.
Love it.
Yeah,
love
very
it.
nice. Got marble countertop as well. Yeah, let's check this place outside.
All right, so over here it looks like we've got a little balcony area. Come in the morning, answer your emails, have your coffee, and when you're ready to relax, all you got to do is pull this down.
Oh, look at that.
You got the
That's genius.
the hamaca, and you're ready
Yeah,
to relax.
ready for your afternoon siesta.
Yeah,
There you go.
ready.
Yeah, enjoy the birds. I'm not sure that's how it works, but I get the idea.
All right, so that's cool. I like it.
Yeah, what do we have over here?
Over here we've got the dining table
Yeah.
where you eat and maybe get some work done, and if it's raining outside or whatever. I would get my work done out there though. You've got the fire pit. Look at this.
Yeah,
Awesome.
that looks amazing.
You got the TV. I would turn on the Medellin Living channel, obviously,
Yeah.
while enjoying the fire. You know, it gets a little colder out here, so
It's
this is
freezing
great.
right now.
Yeah, it's not freezing.
Maybe toasted marshmallows here as well.
Yeah,
Maybe
okay.
some sausage wieners. Now coming into the bedroom, you got your closet space here. It's locked. Can't show you that.
Yeah.
Sorry. You got a bit of a more working area.
Yeah.
If you are a workaholic.
Yeah.
And you got some more closet space over
Yeah,
there.
closet space. You've got,
And then
little
you got
desk over here.
a king size or queen size bed. Got to do a little bed check, you know.
Yeah, bed check.
But
Excellent.
it does the job.
Okay.
We'll come back out. And if you overlook again, you'll see there's a space up top.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
we'll
this
come
is
up here.
kind of like a little lounge area.
Yeah. It works as a lounge area, and you have this couch that can fold into another bed.
Yeah.
So if you have more guests,
Yeah.
you can just put them up here, sleep them there.
Yeah, this is great. Look
Yeah.
at the view from over here. And oh my God, you're gonna break that. You weigh like 1,000 pounds, bro.
This can hold maybe 2 people. So
Or
you
one
can-
Franco.
Or one me. But I think I'll do the rest of the video from here.
We gotta go check out the jacuzzi.
Again, you have your washer over here.
Yep. Oh yeah.
And then this is where it's all.
Look at this is where the magic happens.
Yeah.
Ah. Oh my gosh, it's warm too.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's
You can jump in.
Pretty cold.
Tell me in the comments if Franco should have jumped in. Oh, and this is a little deck here.
And then your deck. Yeah. Hope you like that deck.
Yeah. Looks great.
Yeah. And then the view. The
Yeah,
view.
you've got a view over here. you're surrounded by nature.
Surrounded by nature, birds. There is a creek nearby as well, which you don't really hear too much.
What is the asking price on this one?
So the asking price, believe it or not, it is $80,000 US dollars.
$80,000, and this is a daily rental, right?
It is a daily rental. It comes with all of the licensing, all the permits for the creek nearby. And yeah, this is an amazing spot.
Let's go interview the owner.
All right, let's do it.
All right, Leo, how are you?
Very good, and you?
I'm doing amazing. This is an amazing finca, man. I love this
like
place. Tell us about this area.
Santa Elena, such a beautiful place to live. So Santa Elena is only 50 minutes away from the city and half an hour away from the airport. Also, there is waterfalls, there is nice hiking spots, there is 40 square kilometers of forest. There is a cable car coming here, so if you don't own a vehicle, you anyways can come on a cable car. There is transportation like from 4 a.m. to 10 p.m. There is great places to eat around. You come here and feel the fresh air, the pure air, and there is forest, native forest around. So it's a beautiful place to stay.
I would love to stay here. What do you charge per night here?
Per night, couples are paying 490,000 pesos. For 100,000 pesos a night, and include breakfast. And during weekdays is 390.
Okay.
100,000 pesos.
The big question. I mean, it seems like it's doing very well. Why are you selling it?
Well, we originally, me and two other friends decided to buy a piece of real estate here in Santa Elena because we love it here. We've been living here for years, and it's such a great place to live. So we found this spot, and then with the money that we had, we were able to build one cabin. And then we were like, all right, let's build it, let's make it a profitable business, and once it's going on, let's try to sell it so we get the return for our investment, and then we can keep on building on the property. That's basically the reason why we're selling.
The purchase price, it's about 80,000 US dollars. What does the purchase price include?
So basically what we have is a legal LLC. So it's got the paperwork on the Chamber of Commerce, it's got the paperwork on the Colombian IRS, that is called the DIAN, and it's got also the permit to use the water from the creek. So the house has water from the company, from the water company, but in case you also want water from the creek, you can also get it. We also have the permit to run the business, the Airbnb business. So basically what you are getting is a property that is working and that is legal. And also in terms of paperwork, it's way easier to sell an LLC than to sell a house, you know? Like to sell a house, we need to do way more paperwork, it takes way longer. Instead, if we want to sell the LLC, we just go to the Chamber of Commerce, sign a couple papers, and that's it. So it's like for people who are thinking about investing in Colombia, this would be a great way of doing it.
I'm sure we have a lot of people out there that are interested in buying a property out here, especially like a little finca like this. What would be your advice to someone that's coming down here and maybe wants to buy a property out here and maybe run it as a business?
The main hassle that I've seen people who come and fall in love of Medellin and want to stay longer, they face the challenge of having to be away every 6 months, right? Because that's the law. But when you get an investor visa, that's not true anymore, you know? And the best way to get an investor visa is to buy a property. And the best property you can buy, I think, it's an LLC because it's a running business already, you know? It's not like something that is going to be an investment that doesn't give you return. This gives you returns right away. So it would be wise to buy it.
We love this place, Leo. You have been an amazing guest. Thank you for inviting us over here, man.
Always, man.
Guys, if you're interested and you want to get in touch, make sure to click on the link in the description below. Fill out the form. Somebody on our team will get back to you, and we'll come check this place out.
Perfect.
Excellent, man. Thank you.
Nice.
All right, we are headed out, guys, and Franco, what'd you think of this?
I thought it was really nice, that cabin, yeah. Not too far away from Medellin. The trip up here wasn't that bad if you already know what Santa Elena is like, you know, coming up the hills. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and click the link in the description, fill out the form, and someone on our team will go ahead and reach out to you guys.
All right, there you have it. We'll see you guys in the next video.